Hello, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. You're welcome to this new video. In this particular video, I want to show you how to get your YouTube channel verified. How, step by step, on how to verify your YouTube channel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will get more educative videos on this channel. And remember to like, share the video to help somebody. Okay, let's go to my desktop. So, okay, you open up your browser and then you're going to go to YouTube and then you ensure that you're logged into that particular channel. And then what you do next, you click on your picture icon here and then you're going to go to YouTube Studio. Open up your YouTube Studio. Okay, this is a new channel. There's no content yet, so I'm using this for this tutorial purpose. So you go here, you're gonna see settings. Click on settings, then you're going to go to channel. Open up your channel, you come to feature eligibility. So one of the reasons why you need to get verified is so that you'll be able to upload longer videos over 15 minutes. Otherwise, you can only upload shorter videos and you cannot customize your thumbnails and you cannot live stream on that particular channel. So you're gonna click here and then you're gonna see verify phone number. So click here, simply click here to enter the phone number. It's gonna take you here. I choose a country in Cameroon. So click here, then I enter the phone number. So enter the phone number, click on next. So they're going to send me the code. And here I receive the code. Then I enter the code here. And then we take submit. Your number verified. Congratulations. Your phone number has been verified. So that is it. As simple as that. So now you can live stream on the channel. You can actually upload longer videos, more than 15 minutes. And you can also customize your thumbnails. Thank you for watching. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel for more educative videos coming up, and like, share, comment whatever you want to know about YouTube or Facebook or social media. You can drop the comment on the comment section. Thank you. Stay blessed.